What's up guys, Shelby over here at YouTube again. We got another car show. I'm gonna walk you guys around. Figured, why not? Got some coffee, got the baby and the wifey over here somewhere. And we'll go ahead and see what we got here. Again, the Boise car scene is looking pretty sweet. Never have enough fastbacks. This one. 4-speed. 2+2. Woo. So many Mustangs at this show. Definitely have to watch out for the telephone poles. Just kidding. But there's my beautiful wife. Angie. What's up? She just had a baby. Doesn't she look great? We're vlogging, babe. Say hi to YouTube.
Oh, hey, YouTube.
We got the little guy, Future Shredder. And yeah, tons of Mustangs, holy cow. I just kind of saw this thing this morning, so we're gonna get a good idea of kind of what's out here. And we're out at the Village in Meridian, which is like a pretty fun little like dining area. We're at Kleiner Park technically, it's adjacent to the Village. If you guys have ever been out here. Got burrito, just got a breakfast burrito, some really good coffee. And now we're walking the car rows. So yeah, beautiful day, 70 out, sunny, and can never get enough cars. Never complete without a GTR. I really like the Mustangs, but I just could never get myself to actually buy like a performance Mustang. I would go for a classic for sure, like this guy here, but I don't know, it just doesn't fully do it for me. There's so many other cars I think I would prefer, including the Cayman. Dang, look at this guy, he's got some slicks on there. What's he running? Max power. Dang, that's a lot. Over 700 horse. That's a lot of power. Probably gonna lose my wife, but she's on FaceTime with her friends, so we're good. Ooh, some Pontiac Firebird, beautiful. That one's gorgeous. GTO. This Cougar, Mercury Cougar, just like the Mustangs, pretty cool. Oh, beautiful, this color. I haven't seen that one before. It's pretty. And then we got, of course, the thing looks mean, and they sound incredible, but like I said, I just can't. Let's see. Falcon Ranchero. Some like salt flat wheels. It's pretty sick. Wow, these are cool. The Boss 302 Mach 1, not a Boss. Wow. 428. Jeez. Look at all these. So many. I guess this is definitely a Mustang show. There's a Shelby. It looks like an old KR, maybe a replica. There's no way that's an original. Which I can see. Shelby? Yeah. Cobra Jet. Huh. It is 68 KR. What? No way. These are worth a pretty penny. Got some good music. Ooh. Cool cruiser. Ford wagon. Yes, I can read the paper signs on the cars. Cool. 5.0. These things sound great. And another fastback 390. Cool. All right, last one. I got a drive-by here. It's gorgeous. Woo. There's quite a few more rows, but I think we're just gonna chill, maybe check out the food trucks, hang out with the baby and the wife, and yeah, figured I'd just kind of bring you guys along.